coming from our Lord Jesus Christ, there is an intended time for everything. In today's gospel, we come to see that the disciples of John and others, they wanted the disciples of Jesus, to be fasting. But we come to see Jesus Christ saying, no, this is not the time for them to be fasting. Because in the eyes of our Lord Jesus Christ, there is a time for everything. And although the disciples of John and others were asking Jesus Christ to do things in a certain way regarding his own disciples, Jesus Christ was saying, no, let me explain this to you. There is an intended way to do things, and there is a time for everything. And so the disciples of Jesus Christ were not fasting at that time. The disciples of our Lord Jesus Christ were rejoicing with him, celebrating with him, and also they were information to what was coming, to be the living witness of our Lord Jesus Christ. And so here we come to see that in the eyes of our Lord Jesus Christ, there is a time for everything. Today, we come to celebrate Martin Luther King. He was looking for what? A time for unity. A time for all of us to come together. A time where we are far, far, far away from discrimination and other things. A time to be in solidarity to one another, caring for one another, supporting one another. And this approach of Martin Luther King goes along what Jesus Christ is invited all of us to be. First and foremost, in the eyes of our Lord Jesus Christ, this is the time, this is the moment to care for one another, to love one another precisely as our Lord Jesus Christ has done it and continue doing it to all of us. A time, yes, to lower down, but so that we can support and help the one who is below each one of us. A time to rejoice precisely because what Jesus Christ has done to us. And so this is the time intended for you and for me at this very moment. In memory of what Jesus Christ is saying to all of us, but also in memory of this federal holiday observed for Martin Luther King. And here comes the practical thing, family. How to celebrate what Jesus Christ is teaching us in this holiday. To make it real. Let's see today to whom we can reach out, to support, to encourage, to help. And the moment we come to this level, the moment truly we come to celebrate what Jesus Christ is saying to you and to me, and also this holiday. Always keeping in mind, as we do these things, the freshness of the gospel, the freshness of who we are as children of God. And so the time for you and for me, it is now to embrace who we are as beloved children of God. Now is the time for us, like Martin Luther King, to continue with this dream. Now we say, we have a dream. And that dream is for you and I to day after day to embrace the Christian family that Jesus Christ has invited us to do. Entonces, querida familia, viendo que nuestro Señor Jesucristo nos dice que hay un tiempo para todo. En aquel entonces querían los discípulos de Juan y otros que los discípulos de Jesucristo estuvieran ya ayunando y haciendo otras cosas. Pero Jesucristo les dice, no, hay un tiempo para todo. Y ahorita mis discípulos, no es un tiempo para que estén ayunando, sino para que estén conmigo. Un tiempo designado para cada cosa. Y ese tiempo para nosotros, familia, a la luz de esta fiesta que estamos celebrando, este memorial de Martín Lutero Jr., es la oportunidad para nosotros de estar enfocándonos en un tiempo de solidaridad, en un tiempo de apoyo, en un tiempo, sí, para agacharnos